guys, welcome back to my channel, Layla Fashion. Today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be an unboxing of Ultra Gloss Couture Nude tights that are 10 denier. I'm not wearing any, I'm not wearing any pantyhose right now. But you can see my pedicure, super cute, matches my nails. So we're going to try them on. We're going to talk about it, then I'm going to pair them with 2 shoes, and I'm also going to add a coat to this fit. Let me show you the fit. Cute. I think we're kind of like in this, I'm in like my slit-leg era, and also like my lace bodysuit era. It is quite sheer, so I have pasties on again, so you know, YouTube ain't gonna give a thing. In real life, I'm not sure what I would do here. I might layer it with like a shiny sort of bralette or another lace bralette because I don't love the look of pasties. I actually hate them. So, yeah. But anyhow, it's a nice slit. This is beautiful. Again, I feel like this could be worn for like a date night, going out for drinks with the girlies. Anytime you want to feel like super fab, we've got it. And then I have a coat that I can pair with it over top if you're trying to be a little bit more conserve, or if you're chilly like I am all the time. I need a coat. So anyway, let's talk about these Couture Ultra Gloss tights. I wonder if they're gonna feel or like look ultra gloss because they don't seem like it in here. 10 denier, T-bar body reinforcement, and a shadow toe. These are medium, and they are for people who are 5 feet to 5'8". And I'm almost there, I'm 4'11". And for 36 inches hip to 42 inches. And I do got bigger hips. I think my hips are like 35 and my waist is 23. So we'll see. Anyway, they're a nude. We'll open them up. Okay. We all know that this is a challenging thing for me. Okay, that box wasn't so bad. I'm gonna open them up. Let's take a look. I do not find these high gloss, but you know, let's wait until they're on the leg to make our judgments. Layla. Okay, no reinforced gusset, no cotton gusset, no reinforced toe. Well, they said shadow toe. I guess it's because it's so light that you can barely see it unless you stretch it out. So if you stretch it out real good, then you can see it. Other than that, you can't. Yo, these aren't glossy, in my opinion, in my humble pantyhose opinion, like, false advertising. I love me a glossy look, and with this outfit, that would have slapped, but these, to me, are not glossy. They're more like, they are more matte. Like, I don't know, in what world? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Panic at the disco. More panic. No disco, actually. Okay, we are here. We've made it. Okay, let's see. They don't feel horrible. They're not bad. I felt worse. I felt better. Yeah, the like shadow toe is great if you want to wear sandals, like I will here. But they're not glossy. I don't know, maybe on the camera they look like it, but they're, in my opinion, quite matte. Yeah. I actually don't really like these sandals with this outfit, so I don't know if I'm gonna fully keep them on. I'll give the illusion, but I'm not sticking with it. No, I hate it. we're just gonna take those off. We're not even gonna fully keep going. We're just gonna take them off. We're moving on. Take them off. We're moving on. Legwear International. I wonder where these come from. Ooh, Alfreton, Derbyshire. That seems like a place in England or like England or that sort of European area. Anywhere with a shire. Maybe Ireland. I have no idea. Anyway, they're okay. I put them in like 5 out of 10. Just because they're not horrible, but they're not like what they say they are. But I love this fit with the white shoes. And then, like I said, if we wanted to kind of like either make this fit a little more conserve. I actually wore this coat at a wedding recently. It's nice and flowy. But yeah, it adds a little thing if you get cold. Like it still is quite beautiful. You could have it like loosely tied, like a bathrobe. I don't know. You could kind of do whatever you want. But, you know, it's always nice to know that you can add different things to your outfit. Anyhow, we're on off topic. These pantyhose are okay. I don't hate them. I don't love them. But yeah, they are not glossy. They are nude, but like I find them like kind of a gray beige tone. Yeah, like 4 or 5 out of 10. But I don't know. You can make your own judgments. Like you could try them out and tell me what you think. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. I hope you're liking this fit because I think it's wonderful. And yeah, just thank you for being my fans. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. And, ooh, I have a Patreon if you're interested. Other type of content. Okay, bye.